For this project, you will need 3 different pairs of pliers, 1 to trim the wire, cinch the wire, and 1 to twist the wire. 24 gauge wire, beads, whatever type of beads you have. I'm using crystal. And this is to make 2 pairs of earrings. Charms. Then I also have mushroom charms to use for the purple. 2 pairs of ear hooks, since we're making 2 pairs of earrings. You will also need 2 sets of jump rings. So I'm going to show you how to assemble everything. And first I'll show you 2 ways to wrap crystal beads. The first one I'm going to do is the most simple. So we're just going to trim some of this wire. As you can see, this is how much extra you have when you have the bead right here. Wrap this like so. And then you're gonna see how there's a little bit going up now that we've wrapped it. And then you're just going to pull it around. Really easy to do when it's this little 24 gauge wire. Using these pliers now, you're going to just push this in and make sure the end has been pushed close to the base of the wire and that there's no jagged edges here. Now we'll put the bead through like so, and then you're going to go back with these pliers again and wrap around like so. Okay, so you have a little extra here that you can push closed, wrap it, push it in close to the wire, and there you have your first bead. So that's what it looks like. Both of the loops are facing the same way. One of these loops will open here, our earring hook. Connect that on there and then close it. And then taking the small jump ring here, you'll open the jump ring, put it on the bottom loop, and then you're going to add your charm to it and close it here. So there's that one. So you've made 1 earring now, which you can use any type of charm, or you could just do a simple bead, or you can string multiple beads together. And that's how you can do that one, that style. Here's another bead. I have wire this time, a longer piece of wire than the one I had before, which you can see the difference here. So we're gonna start out the same. We're gonna pull over the wire, twist, and then close that extra piece. Make sure that it is completely closed around the wire. Now you'll add your bead on here, and then you're going to do the same technique. So here it is like so, pull it over, and then to make it easier, you wrap around once, and then you're going to wrap around the bead. So you can make a little wrap design around the bead. Make it how you like it, it's up to you. And then from there, you just continue to wrap it around the bottom, and then you can close it off like we did last time. And there's your wrapped bead design. This is just one option of a wrapped bead. You don't have to do the curly Q. It's totally up to you how you want to wrap it. So there's that. And then we're going to again put the ear hook through like so, cinch it down with these pliers, open the jump ring through the bottom loop, and then we're going to add our charm and close it again. So now you have a design wrapped bead charm dangling. Perfect. All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more DIY and style videos.